Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company.
Hi everyone, my name is Umesh. I am from Delhi. I have completed my graduation from Delhi University. After graduation, I was searching job for very long time. Then I got to know about Evision. In Evision, they teach lot of things, and I learned many things over there. And then Evision faculty is so good, and they gave me placement support. After completed course, I got a job in a precision group, and Evision is a great platform to build your career in IT sector. Thank you Evision support, and thank you Evision. Thank you very much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.